Hello. In this lecture, we will learn about laws of exponents. See the first law. A to the power m into a to the power n. Then you will get a to the power m plus n. Here bases are equal, and if you are multiplying, then in right hand side, single base will be there and the exponent will be added. See the example. 2 to the power 3 into 2 to the power 2. Bases are equal. Multiply 2 to the power 3 plus 2 as per this law. We'll get 2 to the power 5, that is 32. Second laws, a to the power m division a to the power n. Again bases are equal. Then a to the power m minus n, exponent will be subtracted. See the example, 2 to the power 3 division 2 to the power 2. We'll write 2 to the power 3 minus 2, 2 to the power 1, that is 2. Third one is a to the power m whole raised to the power n. In this case, the exponent will be multiplied, a to the power m into n. Example, 2 to the power 3 to the power 2. We'll get 2 to the power 3 into 2, 2 to the power 6. After that, we can simplify. Fourth law is a to the power 0 is equal to 1. Condition is a should not be 0. Example, 2 to the power 0, result is 1. 3 to the power 0, again result is 1. 3 by 2 to the power 0, result is 1 as per this law. Fifth law is a to the power minus m. I want to make exponent positive. Then what you have to do? You have to write a 1 divided by a to the power m. For example, if 2 to the power minus 2 is there, then we can write a to the power 8 divided by 2 to the power 2. That is 1 divided by 4. 6 1. A by b whole raised to the power minus m. To make the exponent positive, you will reverse the number. B by a whole to the power m. Example, 2 by 3 raised to the power minus 2. To make the exponent positive, we will write 3 by 2, 2 to the power 2. Then after that we can simplify. 7. A to the power m into b to the power m. Now bases are different, but exponents are same. In this case, we can write a into b whole raised to the power m. See the example, 2 to the power 3 into 3 to the power 3. We can write 2 into 3 whole raised to the power 3. That is 6 to the power 3. After that we can simplify. So these are the laws which will be very much useful to solve the questions based on laws of exponent. Thank you.